Welcome back to Techavro. Do you want to share a document or image without letting anyone download, print, or copy your original content? Google Drive has a hidden security feature that locks your shared files instantly. This ensures viewers can only read your file on screen while keeping your original data completely safe. Here is how to set it up step by step. First, open Google Drive and find the file you want to protect. Right-click on the file, hover over Share and click Share from the sub-menu. Look at the very top right corner of the sharing pop-up window and click the small gear icon. In the Settings menu, you will see two security checkboxes. Locate the second option labeled Viewers and Commenters can see the option to download, print and copy. Single left click the checkbox to uncheck it and turn the feature off. Now click the back arrow at the top left to return to the main sharing screen. Click the blue Done button at the bottom right to lock in your changes. Anyone who opens your link can now view your file, but all download, print and copy options are permanently disabled. If this guide helped you protect your files, please like this video and subscribe to Techavro for more quick tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.